Your video.
Show flashlight blink. Yeah, then you. Yeah. Get in bed. Only mine, right?
I know it's your night, honey.
Mom, after your night, and it gets mine, and it gets dark, and I get mine. Why? I need a little light. I need a whole lot of light.
We're getting quiet now.
Mom, can we have a flashlight in here?
Not right now. I'll turn the light on in a second. But we're looking at look at your bugs light up. There they go. You see them?
Mom,
They're twinkling.
what's your twinkling mean? What's twinkling mean?
It's kind of like blinking.
Why are fireflies? Why fireflies are called fire? Why?
Because they light up like fire.
And they can fly.
Yep.
Okay, they can.
Some people call them light bugs or lightning bugs.
Why? Because you light.
Yeah, because they have lights on.
But why do they have blanks on them? On their butt?
I don't know. That's just how God made them. But the light tells the other bugs where they're at. I think it's the boy bugs that have the light, and the girl bugs don't.
Are these the girl bugs?
I know. I think the boy bugs have light. We'll have to look that up.
Okay, I'm gonna look it up.
Just a second. Let me finish our video.
How many minutes?
We'll give it another minute. Just a few seconds.
Mom, I really want to have the computer on.
Okay, come here. Let's get a few more good blinks out of them.
How many is feel?
That one seems to be staying lit up. See him?
Why?
He's not blinking. He's just staying lit.
Don't you? Everybody is. Girls, those are girls. Those are have lights on them. Okay. Can I get a computer? Can I?
Yeah.
Right now?
Wait till they're done blinking.